Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to beat Arena 8 here in Clash Royale using one of the strongest free-to-play decks right now, the Hog Mosquitoes Rocket Cycle deck. Let's get started. So let's break down the deck. This deck runs Hog Rider, Ice Golem, Mosquito, Skeletons, Ice Spirit, Cannon, Rocket, Zap. The Hog Rider is your win condition. It is fast, reliable, and cheap damage, while the Ice Golem is the main tank for kiting enemy troops and supporting your pushes, while the Musketeers gives you a long-range defense, especially against air and more. And here's how to play it. This is a cycle control deck, so your goal is to stay fast, cheap, and efficient. Push with the Hog plus Ice Golem and constantly cycle Skeletons and Ice Spirit to keep pressure. On defense, rely on Musketeers plus Cannon to shut down the enemy pushes. Once you defend, you'll usually already back to your hog, so counter push instantly. If your opponent starts stacking troops or defending too well, don't force it. Just start cycling rockets to chip the tower and control the game. The deck has insane defensive value, great synergy, and extremely free to play friendly. Play patiently, punish mistakes, and use your fast cycle to outpace your opponent. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.